Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. Got another one. Free sample. If y'all want to get free samples and for them to respond to you quick, go with them. Black owned, go with them. This is for it's heat protecting. This is what you do. So I'm about to blow dry my hair. I already washed it, and I'm about to see how my hair feel after I blow dry it when I use this. Hair strengthening. This is the ingredients. Follow them on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I like them. I want to buy. They got some shampoo and some conditioner that I want to buy. And they always send you the 20% off. Thank you and barcode. Like this is the only did samples for I think about 15 different products, and this is the only one that responds and quick too. So if you're on a hair journey to grow your hair, strengthen your hair, I would definitely try them.